Hey, this video is part of our Vitamix 101 course.
Yeah, you can buy this course where you'll get the recipes, shopping lists, quizzes to test your knowledge, support from us, and lifetime access.
Otherwise, you can keep watching for free on YouTube. Either way, happy blending. Bye.
Welcome to Vitamix 101. I'm thrilled you're here. I'm Lenny Gale with Life is No Yoke. Here's how this course works. There are 7 modules. Inside of each module, there is a video lecture or 2 from me, a quiz to get you thinking, and an assignment or 2 because everyone loves homework. Each module builds upon the next, so while they get more challenging, they're going to seem easier based on our experiences in the earlier ones. And this is module 1, getting started. And remember that the goal here is to apply what we've learned because real thinking is real learning. Let's talk about why building a solid foundation is important to Vitamix ownership. Your Vitamix is a powerful machine, but it's not something you should be afraid of. You should be comfortable putting it to work. And when you use it right, it'll serve you for many, many years. And by building the right skills and the right habits, your Vitamix will be an investment that literally pays you dividends for many, many years. In this module, we're going to get to know our Vitamix a little better. We're going to discuss proper use, safety features, and other basic fundamentals. At the end of this module, you're going to be way ahead of most Vitamix owners. And of course, it's going to help build a foundation for the next modules and assignments. Okay, we are going to start off slowly, but I promise we're going to get moving quickly. So, are you ready?
Hey, it's Lenny Gale with Life is No Yoke. Subscribe to this video and I will be able to sleep at night.
You want them to subscribe to the channel, not the video.
This video. This channel.
Right. That'll help you sleep?
I guess.